I'm super scared. Hi my angels, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to try for you two new things I bought. If you watched my latest haul, you'll know what I'm talking about. First is this facial hair removal pen, and I'm surprised at the quality. I bought this only for 11 euros, so can you imagine? And it looks fantastic, as you can see, like gorgeous quality. The second item we're gonna be testing is the microneedling electric pen thing. So I'm gonna be microneedling my face. But yeah, so I thought I would shave it first so that it's clean. I'm gonna use my Chanel mirror, yeah, to do this, and we see how it feels. I like this. I approve of this. Wow. I don't want to disgust you, but I don't know if this will show. Can you see this? It trapped a lot of hairs, you guys. I'm super impressed. This thing is going to be my best friend from now on. I'm going to have it with me all the time to remove peach fuzz from my face. So I will first moisturize my face with the CeraVe moisturizer. I've watched a video for Dr. Lim, and honestly speaking, it surprised me because he was talking about not using anything more than 0.25 millimeter to your face. I had a Derma roller. It's a 1.5 millimeter. I had this for almost 4 years, and I feel disgusted after watching that video because he said you dispose of it. So I think the new machine I got, it comes with cartilages like this where you throw them away after usage, and it already comes with 2, and there is like a filler for it. So I feel that that's more medical and hygienic. So this is definitely going to be thrown away. And this also is like a pen, so it's going to not make the fractures the roller makes. So I just have a general good feeling. So I moisturize my skin so that it kind of takes what we're going to do. Reusable cotton pads. I'm going to use this and some alcohol to sterilize my face. But yeah, let's test this. So I'm gonna open the cartilage that comes in the package. I'm so nervous. I don't know if it hurts. I don't know. I think I'm not gonna do it on high. Like you adjust the needle length, okay, with this. I am very nervous. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm really not super scared. I sprayed some spraying alcohol, and I'm going to glide it on my face gently like this to like wipe off anything that might be irritating. I would say it hurts. If there is a scale of 10, it hurts as a 7 or 8. I think I'm also on the highest speed. Maybe you can see how red it turns. My eyes are watering like crazy, you guys. Oh my god, I'm crying. I'm literally crying. Oh my god. I'm not supposed to be crying. It is painful. My skin is super painful right now. I couldn't even continue my entire neck. And look how red I am. I hope you can see. My skin just looks so sad. I bleeded in some spots, but not all spots, if that makes any sense. And do you know the level of pain where you're numbed? That's the level of pain I have. Oh my god, that's painful. Like next time I do this, I think I'm gonna use anesthesia or a numbing cream. It's so fucking painful. And that's the 0.5. I can't believe. I hope it was enough for my skin. I was hoping to do this with hyaluronic acid, but like a stupid person, I haven't bought it. So yeah, use the CeraVe cream I have. Oh, and by the way, I also did my lips, which make them feel plumped. Ooh, that will have a nice cooling. Ooh, soothing. Ooh. God. It burns. It just burns. I don't know if it's a good idea if I apply my retinoid right now. I use adapalene gel. I'm gonna put this back in its box. Ow, I'm in pain. It's like the pain is just not going away. And by the way, I did my wound as well. And I put on it the prescribed thing the dermatologist gave me to heal scars.